Hey there, savvy shoppers! Are you ready to score some amazing deals and save big on your favorite sports gear? Well, you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below to unlock your exclusive FansEdge discount code and start saving today. Alright, let's talk FansEdge. If you're a sports fanatic like me, you know how awesome their collection is. Jerseys, hats, memorabilia, you name it. But let's be real, all that cool stuff can add up pretty quickly. That's where these fantastic promo codes come in handy. So, how do you get your hands on these sweet deals? It's super simple. Just click the link below and you'll find a treasure trove of FansEdge coupons and promo codes waiting for you. Now let's break down how to use these codes. First, load up your cart with all your must-haves. Next, head over to checkout and look for the promo code box. Enter your code, hit apply, and voila! Watch those prices drop like a three-pointer at the buzzer. It's like magic, but better because it saves you money. And here's a little pro tip for you. Always check for site-wide sales and stackable coupons. Sometimes you can combine a promo code with an ongoing sale and score double the savings. It's like hitting a home run with the bases loaded. Oh, and did I mention free shipping deals? Yeah, those are a thing too. Keep an eye out for free shipping codes to save even more. No one likes paying for shipping, right? Alright folks, that's the lowdown on how to save big with FansEdge coupons. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to grab your discount code and start saving today. Remember, every dollar saved is an extra dollar toward your next game day snack, or maybe even another piece of gear. Happy shopping and may the deals be ever in your favor. Don't forget, link in the description. Click it, use it, love it. See you next time.